Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to download and install Python 3.10.8. So go to any browser and type download Python. Click on download Python. Just go down and you will see Python 3.10.8. Just click on download. Now just go down and you will see files. If you have 32-bit, you can select 32-bit. I have 64-bit, so I'm gonna select 64-bit. So I click on Windows installer 64-bit, and you can see the Python is downloading. Now you can see the setup is finished. Now I'm going to open the Python setup. Now just select add python.exe to path, then click on install now. Okay, now you can see setup was successful. Now close. Now type cmd in Windows search. Just type Python, and you can see it is showing the version 3.10.8. So it means Python has been successfully installed.